be doing a really interesting video. So as you can see, I have my mom with me. Yes, she's my mom. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, I would be doing the mom and daughter tag. So basically, I'm going to be asking her 16 questions. There were a lot of versions of this online, but I found the most interesting one, like that interested me. So I'm going to be asking her 16 questions which she has no clue about.
I don't know anything.
She asked me so many times that tell me what I'm going to be answering, tell me. So I was like, no. So yes,
Fingers crossed.
I'm going to be asking her 16 whole questions and she has to answer each and every one of them.
Oh,
So
no.
So it's going to be really interesting for me as well because some things I also don't know what she feels about me. So yes, let's get started. So
Let me see.
No. So the first question is, what was I like a child?
Confident. Very confident.
Okay, second, what do you think of me making YouTube videos?
Cool. I like the idea.
A lot of you always ask me like what my parents feel about me making YouTube videos, so you can get it like in first person. That's what she feels.
At least you were making something. Matlab not going roaming around doing nothing. That is the main thing. Doing something constructive. Yes.
Off the net.
Yes. Just not sitting on the net and doing
Nothing. Question.
Watching some things. Okay.
Question number 3. What's something funny I did when I was younger?
Funny. So many things actually.
I have so many things.
Every time I used to shout at her and she used to just go around her nani and say, Nani, mujhe bacha lo, Nani, mujhe bacha lo. And I was at one hand scolding her and the other hand looking at her. Oh my god, what is she doing? I used to just turn around, laugh a bit and then start scolding. So it was really very difficult for me to scold and laugh at the same time.
I can remember it was such a big drama. I was like, mujhe bacha lo, mummy maar rahi hai. Mujhe bacha lo, mummy maar rahi hai. As if she was like gonna kill me or something.
And my mother used to, oh, तुम माँ डाली की बेटी को क्या कर रहे हो? My God, hell. दोनों नानी दोती ड्रामेबाज और मेरे को विलन बना दिया.
Okay, question number 4. Have you learned anything about makeup / beauty from me?
Yes. So many things. मतलब
Primer, highlighter. Like we both love highlighters now.
Yes.
Like wherever she has to go, she's like, I need my highlighter. I'm like, that's my mom. Okay, next. What's a weird habit of mine?
Weird. Oh my God. Every time, if she is not doing anything or doing anything, she just holds her hair and starts plucking her
Split ends.
split ends. Yes. Oh, I just forgot. Split ends. That is such an irritating habit of hers.
It's irritating. It's not weird. A lot of people do it. I've seen people in the metro do it.
No. This is weird to me. What? Every time? Sitting everywhere and doing plucking. What is this?
Acha, okay, next. If you had to rename me, what would you name me?
Rename. Actually, I really like the name Nikita. And
My name was like, it should have been kept with an N, but things weren't like that way. So I was named Shreya.
yes.
Otherwise, it would have been NJ Loves Jewelry.
No, Nirdesh Kumari.
Oh my god! So apparently, like, I'll let her tell this funny story because I'm always talking. So you go ahead and tell this funny story.
Okay. I got her Kundli, Janam Patri, whatever you call it, made, and the person wrote her name as Nirdesh Kumari. Oh my god. And she got so furious. Oh, what has she written? Nirdesh Kumari? Oh my god, that was really fun. अगर इसको चिढ़ाना होता है तो भी just say
Nirdesh Kumari. And I'm like, what? And obviously, like, you're the one who's always telling us do this, do that. So you are Nirdesh Kumari, because Nirdesh means direct, like someone who shows you the direction. And Kumari is just like to tell that it's not a guy, it's a girl. So yeah, Nirdesh Kumari. Alright, next. When we go out to eat, what do I order?
Oh, coffee. Cold coffee with ice cream and French fries. Staple diet.
Everyone knows this about me, that cold coffee with ice cream, French fries.
Yes.
These are the two things that I love, two bits, and I can have them anywhere, anytime, all the time. Okay, next. What is one thing you wish I would do?
I wish.
Yeah.
Organize yourself. Oh my god, she's so ill organized. Every time she just shoots and leaves everything.
I always pick it up at end.
Oh, after so many reminders and clothes lying there, books lying there, laptop lying there. Oh my god.
But
I think so. Matlab, I wish I could make you a little more organized.
We'll move past that.
Yeah.
And then what's something I do that annoys you?
Annoys me.
Yeah.
Not really.
I think I know something that annoys you.
Annoys me.
Yeah. Like, I'm always moving around or asking for hugs and kisses.
Oh no, that is good. I like to do it. I like to do it.
And you're always like, Mama, kisi do, Mama, kisi do, Mama, kisi do, Mama, kisi do.
And I say, "Thapad khai
Like a kid, I would be like, Mama, kisi do, Mama, kisi do. Yeah, I think that sometimes annoys you. Like, go away.
Yeah, go away. नहीं तो दिमाग चढ़ जाएगा थोड़ा सा.
Okay, what's something I obsess over?
Makeup, of course.
Like, that's not even a question. That's not even a question.
Anything which is new in the market, and she wants to have it. मम्मी ले लें क्या? ऐसा है, ऐसे है, यूं करें, ऐसे है, ये अच्छा है. Okay, चलो भाई लो.
Where would you like to see me in 10 years?
Oh, right up there. That's not just a question.
But no, other things than YouTube, where would you like to see me in 10 years?
I really want you to study well, first of all.
Mm.
That is the main thing. See, YouTube is different, but studies.
Yeah,
stays.
study stays, yeah.
Yes.
YouTube will pass after a while. Like, makeup won't look good on me when I'm 40 or 50. It might if I take good care of my skin and I'm a Korean and stuff like that. But still,
Studies.
studies stay.
Studies. So
What about marriage? 10 years.
Of course, of course.
Like-
I just want to get married anytime
soon. Like, it's so annoying for me anytime anyone asks me when I'm gonna get married. I'm like, you know if I'll be getting married. I'm not gonna hide it. It's not something I can hide.
Yes.
और 10 years में तो बच्चे भी हो जाएंगे.
भैया के.
भैया के भी.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. When were you most proud of me?
Most proud. Google invitation. Actually, it was the first big thing.
First big thing. I thought you would say when I became captain of my house.
वो भी करना है क्या? मतलब
I
thought that.
No, it's like any time.
हाँ. फिर तो.
When I held my banner and I marched and neighbors announced Shreya Jain.
Then तो it goes to मेरे ख्याल से second or third when you got the first star from Amita Mulawatal.
Yeah, my principal. I was like a prize winner. Like prize winner stuff is like when you like get really good academic scores and stuff like that.
Then तो it goes.
Yeah. So I was always academically good. Yeah, just like
No.
yeah, I never got like B's and C's.
हाँ A+ तो norm था.
Norm
अगर
है.
A आ गया तो.
Oh, what happened? Like A+ is like my thing. So when I'm in college, like I scored like you guys know I scored 95 in my boards. So when I came in college and my first result came out, it was like 68%. I was like
95.
95, 68. But then I got around knowing things that that's how it works in college. Now I'm like cool. I get a 60. I'm like, whoa, I got a 60, bro.
School में numbers बढ़ते हैं.
School numbers बढ़ते हैं, really. Okay, Question 13. What's the worst thing I've ever done?
First, should I tell?
No. Like a more sober worst thing.
Super.
You can say I cut my hair and then never did.
Acha, you tell me. नहीं, worst thing तो बहुत सारी हैं यार.
And a lot is like an understatement. I've done so many horrible things.
So many.
And I don't know what's there or how it happens. And she always comes to know, no matter how much I try to hide it. Like I can have the most criminal mind in the world, like the most developed criminal mind in the world, and she'll come to know about it, and I'm just like,
Oh my God, मेरा तो इतना छुपा के
इतना
रखा.
छुपा के रखा, like how did it happen? So
इसीलिए I know all your
Yeah.
worst things. So
we'll skip. Like no, it's okay. Okay. Next question. How was I in school?
good. All rounder, I should say. All rounder.
I used to
Good
do
on
arts, dance, music,
Everything.
And moreover, I was organized in school. Like I remember this one time, or you want to tell the story?
Oh, her ma'am, Deepika ma'am, I just remember her.
Yeah.
And she's, oh my God, she is such an organized girl. And I was flabbergasted. मैंने कहा, she? And organized? Come home. I'll show you how organized she is.
So I used to be class monitor all the time, and it was such a big thing for me. Like I am the class monitor. So class monitor used to like arrange the cupboards of the teacher and everything. Not that I used to like lick everyone.
Wow. See her cupboard now.
So Deepika, like my class cupboard was arranged by me. So anytime I was to be absent, which I was rare, which was very rare. I was very punctual.
You got this thing, punctuality.
So yeah, the punctuality thing.
Yes,
So
yes.
me and my brother, we both used to go to school like every single
And
day.
remember Didi's marriage?
Yeah, like one of my first cousins, she got married. So after the Vidai and stuff, we came back home at around 5. I'm talking about February, so it was like cold.
5 a.m.
5 a.m. So we came back at home about 5 a.m. I had an exam next day, unit test. And my brother didn't have anything, so he could take like an off. But we both went to school. We were from different schools though. So we both went to school, and I scored like 30 on 30 in that test.
First time.
First time में 30 on 30. I was like, यार नींद में अच्छा पेपर जाता है.
It still continues.
It still continues. Like every single time I'm writing a sociology paper, I'm not talking about the exam. I'm talking about the theses that we have to write. So every time I have to write that, I write that when I'm like sleep deprived, and it's like so good. And every time I prepare for it,
And it
sucks. It sucks so bad. Like it's so bad. So yeah, probably that's my reason for success. I'm always sleep deprived. My mom has this complaint, like I never sleep on time. I'm always doing something or the other, and she's like, sleep.
She doesn't sleep.
So yeah, last question.
Oh, finally.
What would you change if you could raise?
Huh?
What would you change? I think it means what would you change if you could raise me again? Like what would you change in me if you could raise me again?
So many things.
Like just one or two. We don't want TMI. One or two. Mom, I'm fabulous. You know it. I'm fabulous.
अपने मुंह में मिट्टू बन.
Oh yes.
Yes. नहीं. I don't want to change anything. I like her the way she is. Good.
Those are cheesy answers.
नहीं. I don't want that perfect kid जिसके बारे में कोई कुछ बुरा नहीं बोल सकता, कोई कुछ नहीं. ठीक है यार, बच्चे needs to do
Stupid stuff.
नहीं तो तभी बच्चे
Yeah, how will they learn? Like I was talking about my friend the other day, the same thing. That we need to do this sort of stupid stuff in order to judge for ourselves that this is good, this is not. And then obviously the role of parents comes in, that they have to tell you that this is stupid, don't do it.
And तभी नहीं, you'll grow so quickly.
Yeah.
Otherwise you won't enjoy the childhood anything.
Yeah.
Okay, वो जो मम्मी किसी तो I like it actually. Now I am saying I like it. I want to irritate her.
I'm always around her, like I want a hug, I want a kiss, I want a hug, I want a kiss. there's a special thing about us, like whenever we lie down together, I'm like, Mummy, mujhe le lo. That means that you have to wrap me around and I can sleep then. And then as soon as I'm asleep, leave me. Leave me, it's okay. So yeah, those were all of the questions in the mom tag. Thank you, Mummy, for taking a time out from your busy schedule
I'm so busy.
and gracing my channel with your presence.
I hope they like it.
Yeah, like I had to pursue her so bad. She wasn't like, she's too cool for this, man. She's too cool for this. She's too cool for people like us.
I don't interact.
She doesn't. So yeah, thank you, Mummy, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this small mother-daughter tag. And if you want to watch more videos wherein my mom's there, then
No, that's it.
See?
First and the last.
I told you she's too cool for this. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, comment
No,
below.
no, no.
Comment below.
No, no,
Comment
no,
below.
no, no.
She reads all my comments.
I
Like,
have to.
all
I have to.
my comments. I have to literally tell her, Mommy, stop. So whenever she reads like a hater comment or something, she's like, how dare she say that? How dare she say that? I'm like, Mom, people have their opinions. Have chills. And she's like, no, that's not what you say. I'm like, Mom, I'm your daughter. You would obviously feel about me. But
Hate comments, constructive hate, I like it, but not personally.
yeah, that's something that I also don't like. But whatever, people are people. You can't do much about them. So yes, with that we're gonna take your farewell. Farewell?
No,
leave. Not a farewell.